Hi. Here today you are going to learn the graph of y equals to p of x are given below. For some polynomial p of x, find the number of zeros of p of x in the given case. Here we need to find number of zeros. Okay, from the graph, if you observe carefully, here we just need to observe inside this bracket we have term x, right? So we need to observe on the x-axis. It's very simple and easy. Okay, so if you observe carefully on this x-axis line, is this line touching this? No, right? So your number of zeros are 0. That's it. Similarly, in second, observe carefully. For this x-axis, how many times this line is touching? One time. So your answer is number of zeros are 1. Very easy. Similarly, the graph of y equals to p of x are given below. For some of exactly same way we need to see how many. So if you observe carefully on this x-axis, 1, 2, 3. How many times this curve is touching x-axis? 3 times. So our answer is 3. That's it. So number of zeros are 3 for that. Here similarly, how many times it is touching? If you observe carefully, 1, 2. So here our answer is 2. Number of zeros are 2. Similarly, for this, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the number of zeros are 4, right? Similarly here, 1, 2, 3. So how many times? 3 times. That's it. But dear students, listen carefully. There is one more thing that I will inform you. Instead of y equals to p of x, in case if I will ask you x is equal to p of y, can anyone answer me? Yes, if you observe inside this polynomial y term, it means we need to observe y axis, right? So here for that answer will be 1. So make sure when you are in exam, observe question carefully that p of x is given or p of y is given. Okay, bye.